All right, yo. So trade recap from today. Today I got a W, $300 profit. Was a good trading day. I expected good price action after Powell was speaking, or just after Powell got on the stage. Yeah, I was expecting good price action. We got it, and got a good trade with it as well. But yeah, there went something wrong. But yeah, did learn from it. Wrote it down immediately, and yeah, let's show what trade I took. So yeah, we have Powell speaking. We were at all-time highs. So looking at the charts, we're obviously at all-time highs here. Powell was going to speak at 1:45 p.m. So I didn't trade before that. I waited the entire session, or just waited until Powell came on, which is 1:45. So yeah, that was right here. 1:45 was right here. You can see we got a nice bullish move after this. We were at all-time highs, but I was expecting for us to take all-time highs again, and then from there trade higher, just into all-time highs. I'm expecting for us to just trend in all-time highs now, like tomorrow in NFP. Yeah, I got a nice trade, a nice entry on this, which was right here. So the entry was right here. So this right here is the inversion. Only took one trade because I only take one winner, and then I call it a day. So right there, that was the inversion where I took the entry on. Looking at the structure, this was a singular 30-minute BIST, which I had marked out. This was a singular 50-minute BIST I had marked out on yes, which we closed below. But that doesn't mean anything. Like, we closed below here, but I'm still bullish because the bigger time frame is bullish, and NQ is still respecting the singular 30-minute BIST, which is a forced BIST. So you can see in this leg we don't have any inefficiency. Then on the 30-minute, you can see we have a forced BIST. Suddenly there's a BIST inside of this leg, so we'll mark out this singular forced BIST, which is this 30-minute. So at the time, yeah, like around here, 1330 is where I got on the charts. You can see ES closed way below the singular 50-minute BIST. We traded all the way lower, but that doesn't mean we actually go lower. If NQ goes lower than this, so if it also closes below on the 30-minute time frame below this 30-minute BIST, then I would be looking for lower price because we took out the range high. We are at all-time highs. There's no other price here. We took out the range high and then from there went lower. But yeah, we were expecting this beautifully. So I was expecting, okay, this is going to be a nice reaction to the all-time highs and even beyond that. So yeah, that exactly happened. And then right here, zoom into the structure. Powell was on the stage here, 13:50:45, so right here. Then we got a nice push off of this, but yeah, I was not trading in here. Wanted to wait for an entirely new price action and see what it was gonna do. Like, I've seen so much from data with when Powell comes on, like there's just crazy price action and there can be some few manipulations. So I don't really think that this is gonna be a good entry inside of right here. Like, otherwise this would have been a really nice setup. But yeah, most of the time, more than not, this isn't gonna be a good setup, and we will just again accumulate, manipulate, yeah, get some more people out of this. But yeah, we didn't. So I was waiting for more structure, which we eventually got here, which is we got this push up here, then a drop lower at 4 or 2 p.m., which is the 4-hour candle opening. And you can see we also found support here in this 50-minute. We didn't close above this, I think. Maybe we did. That would be even more crazy. No, we didn't. Okay, so we didn't close above there. Yeah, this would be like an anticipated, still to be a reclaimed BIST, because NQ is still bear time frame bullish, even though he has closed below and still respecting this. Like, you can see the bodies with this, or just the wicks as well, like beautiful. But yeah, what we had, so I was waiting for entirely new structure, so I do need to see manipulation lower. Like, the bigger time frame is bullish. I'm looking for longs. I do need to see manipulation lower before I can be looking for longs. I want to see people get actually stopped out here. So what we had is we had this inversion here, and then, oh, that wasn't even my entry, but we had the inversion here. We closed above this, and then we created some more structure here, like there was nothing in here, going lower. Then right here we accumulated here. We took out the sell side liquidity below this low, and then we took equal lows. So that's just a beautiful setup. That's literally my setup. If I can explain it really simple, if I could just mark it out really quick, like equal lows taken, and then the inversion in here, which we exactly got here. So equal lows taken, that'll be here, inversion in here, and that's my entry. So I was in with 17 contracts, and I'm gonna explain the mistake right now. So here's the entry. I was in with 70 contracts on this high. got filled one tick higher, so entry is 48800. It was 488.25, was just a bit above this. But yeah, what we had is all-time highs I marked out here on this high right there. This marked out, and I always say, and I always do it. I take at least a 75% off at a 1 to 2. Like in this case, let me here adjust this. In this case, you can see I'll be break even at this high, or no, at a 1-1, which is right here. So I was break even on this, and then I would have a first TP at a 1 and 2 RR, which is going to be 21,502. And then I would have taken 75% off here. So I was in with 17 contracts. How many would that be? That would be profit, I would mean. So going to paper trading, connect. So create limit order. I was in with 17 contracts. At a 1 and 2, I would take 75% off. So that would be like 13, 14 contracts. 13 contracts would have been a $364 profit. It's already more than I have now, which is $300. Not even 300, it's 285, I think. And then 14, that would be $392. So you can see like how did you mess up there. And yeah, I'm gonna explain it now. So that would be 392, and my full TP would be extended until a 1 to 5, which eventually got hit then. Look at that. Wow, what is this? All right, but yeah, a 1 to 5 will be full TP, which you can see that would be hit, but I would close my full position at a 1508, which was just short of a 1 to 5. So eventually would be 14 contracts off there, and then I would have 3 running. Not 173, that would be 3 running, so 210. So what would have taken around 600, 550, or $500 to $600 profit. And I only took 285. How did I do that? I'm going to explain now. I said it 2 times now already, but I'm going to explain it now. So I took the entry on this 1 to 2, and then what we had is these candles were pretty volatile here. So I was actually live trading with a friend, and what we had is we both had the same setup in here. Like he trades a different setup, but we both had our setup in here. And what I did is he entered back on the retracement of the inversion, and I was already in here, but I wanted to look where his entry and his TP and stuff was going to be. Like I didn't expect for the first candle to be hitting this high here, which we did. So I was I was looking at my RR2 like this. You can see this is his entry, that his stop is right there or right there. I didn't know if I moved it, but you can see a 1 and 2 would be right there. And my original entry, going back at this, my original entry would be a 1 and 2 right here. So a 1 and 2 would be 21,502, and I was looking at a 21,499. Like it's just 3 points, but the difference in this, I took a 17 contracts off this. I took my full TP off because I accidentally closed the trade, like on TopStep, if I can show it. I don't think I can, but when there's when you have a trade on TopStep, you're in with a like here's the entry, there's the stop, and then you have a cross next to your entry. I accidentally pressed the cross, like I just saw the wick, and I thought, oh yeah, we already hit the 1 and 2 RR, because I was actually looking at, let me go back to this again. I was looking at yeah, this. So this would have been the 1 and 2.5, and this would have been a 1 and 2. And I was actually looking at, oh, this is the 1 and 2. And I was actually looking at this, and I saw the big candle, and I just closed it immediately. Like, oh, that was so stupid. Like I closed it immediately because I thought, oh yeah, we hit it 1 and 2. I have to take 75% off now, and it was going so quick. And I eventually end up closing the full position, which I shouldn't even do. I didn't even want to do it. Like, I don't know, like you could think of this as like, oh yeah, you probably thought that it's going to be breaking. I really thought that we were going to go higher from here, just trying all-time highs. Like I really saw this. Yeah, I don't want to say like I saw this coming, because nothing is certain. But I really wanted to hold this, of course, which I need to do as well because of following our rules. I really wanted to do it, but just honestly really accidentally closed the trades, which is, yeah, it's so stupid. But yeah, did learn from it. Like I wrote stuff down, and eventually I took the full TP at here, the 1 and 2, and then I was filled here. And you can see I took a full TP at a 1.5 RR, which is not even the 1 and 2. So eventually I got $285 profit, which should have been $600. Like at the moment, just when closing this trade, just like at that time, and then 5 minutes after, I was feeling really, yeah, I was feeling pretty emotional. Like I was getting my RR2 out, and I was thinking, okay, I could have made so much. I was calculating I think everyone does that. I was calculating, oh, how much should I have made there, which is really really unfortunate. But yeah, I was feeling pretty emotional there. Just immediately locked myself out of the account. I didn't want to do anything stupid, but there's like kind of that demon on your shoulder which does say like, oh yeah, you can just take another trade, like you will get to the profit, like yeah, that it's gonna go higher, why not just enter? Like that's where it goes wrong. You never know what the market actually gonna do, because otherwise you would have done it. You don't know what the market actually is gonna do, and yeah, that's just it. So eventually took a 1 of 5 full TP, which is really unfortunate. Just looking at how much I could have made, like that's the thing, but doesn't really matter. It's way better. I kept saying that to myself. It's way better than having a full loss. Like yesterday, I took 2 losses, and now I got back with I took $600 loss. So now I took a not even $300 profit. So I'm still in drawdown, just looking from that. And then also with the account, I'm just below the break-even point, which is also really unfortunate. But yeah, that is what it is. It's better than a full loss. Like if it was a full loss, I would have been doubting my strategy. Like I mean, I would be at a 4-loss losing streak, which is not even that bad. Like my max losing streak is like 6 from all the years that I've backtested. So really, from a 6 losing streak, like it shouldn't be more than that. But yeah, also like it could happen, like a 6 losing streak, and still it's not even there. I took a profit on this. Like I really should be grateful, which I really am. Like I really trying to be, but it's just really unfortunate, you know. It sucks, but yeah, it is what it is. Better than a loss, and yeah, that's it. So what I did from this, I immediately wrote down what I should do next time. So I wrote it here, and I don't know if you, let's see. I'm gonna, oh, this camera is so zoomed in. All right, so here, what to do when in a trade. So where's my entry level? Look, 1, where's my entry level? 2, look if the R2 is at the right point. 3, where do I can't even see it now. 3, all right, I'm just gonna read it from here. Know how many contracts I should take off where. So that's really important as well, of course. Like yeah, and that's gonna be for the fourth rule. Be prepared for sudden quick volatile price action. So in this here, I should be at all times, like it could be a slow market, but I should really be focused. Like normally I'll be laying back and I'll just watch a charts, but I really should be like, it's once I'm in the trade, I should do all the things that I need to do, and then from there I should relax and just do the stuff that, or just chill. But I should really just immediately do, okay, this is where I'm gonna take this off, and like I should do that immediately once I'm in. Don't even look, stop loss set, look at, okay, this is my first TP, this is gonna be where I go break even. I should be doing that like right away. And then the 5th rule is keep thinking clear. So just and that's with like not following the rules, like also following rules, but yeah, I do that now. Like don't really think that's a problem for me now, but keep thinking straight, or keep thinking clear, like the same thing. With this here, I mean that with, okay, we suddenly do get volatile price action, just think clear, like, okay, where is my entry level? Oh wait, it is not even on there. Like what I did immediately once I saw that this got hit, like I immediately closed it, which I should have taken partial. That was 2 mistakes. But I should have just looked at the tool. Okay, is this at the right price entry level? From here, no, it wasn't. Oh wait, then it's actually not. Then it's actually here, and it wasn't even hit. So I would still hold it. Like, yeah, we didn't hit it by then, but yeah, a lot of yapping again this session. Yeah, again, unfortunate, but still better than a full loss, which is totally fine. And did get something that I got to learn from this, which is you don't find that in backtesting. Like that's something you're only gonna find in your forward testing, and there'll probably be like a lot more things. But for now, it looks pretty much looks like I got everything. But yeah, that's not always the case. Like I thought I knew now that I thought I knew everything now, but yeah, still there are some things that eventually you will stumble upon, which, yeah, you thought you knew, but yeah, you didn't. So just like this one, yeah, a lot of yapping. Still, I'm thankful with this trade. Was a good trade, nice analysis, quick trade, no drawdown basically. Yeah, way better than a loss. And yeah, so the account is now at 49K737. Looking at this, only took one trade, $285. Tomorrow we have the day before NFP and also OPEC meetings, I think. I won't be trading that day, and then Friday we have NFP. Hopefully that will be like a nice trading day again. For now, I'm down minus $600 for the week. If Friday will be a nice trade, then maybe I'll be break even for the week. But I think I'm gonna end it on the week a loss anyway. If I would take a 1 or 2 trade and then get like a break even on the rest of the percentage, I would be taking a $400 trade and still would be down $200. So either way, I'll probably still gonna be ending the week either break even or loss, which is totally fine. Like I'm still here to learn. But yeah, more opportunities will be then next week. We'll see. And then Friday could be even a loss. Like it could be a $900 loss, losing week, which is also totally fine if I followed everything, which I think I will do. Like I still have no problems with me breaking my rules or anything. Like I have no intentions of breaking my rules, not even close. So that's a really good thing. Followed my rules, W day, 2 W's because I got to win as well. But just one point, and that is that yeah, something I got to learn from. So maybe 3 W's. You can see it as 3 W's. Got to win. Got to win with follow my rules, and got to win with something new to learn. And yeah, still profit day. So yeah, that will be the trade recap. And yeah, thank you for watching. See you.